Yo, what's up, morons? There's been a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I'm sure this is why you're on this one. This is a deep cleaning on your hard drive or SSD or whatever holds files on your computer. I don't know. Micro SD, I'm sure this will work. I don't know all the different storage capacities and whatever. But anywho, so most of the tutorials just clear your temporary files and do disk cleanups and all that. If you haven't done those already, I would suggest looking up how to clean your temp files or how to do a disk cleanup. Most of the time, for me at least, it only cleans like 5 to 10 gigabytes. It never cleans a good amount of fucking storage like I want it to. So this is a deep cleaning that I figured out off of Reddit and a bunch of different websites I had to search for because YouTube is dog shit. So here's the first program. It's tree size free. I use the free version. I don't know what benefits you get for paying for it. Do your research on that I guess on the website. I don't give a shit. So it's gonna look like when you open it. You're gonna have to select which drive you want. I have 3 drives. You could have fucking 8. I don't know. However many USBs or whatever the fuck you have. I don't know. But yeah. So you open this on your C drive and there's a bunch of files. Wow. There's a bunch of files and sizes, okay? So you're gonna go through your different files and pick out what the fuck you want. So most of it's gonna be in your app data, I presume. This could be depending on your fucking storage space. Mine's only 60 gigabytes. I mean, that's still a lot, but my app data has 35, and I've gone through it already. It used to be a lot worse, but now I have about 40 gigabytes free on my SSD, which is not too shabby in my opinion. Like I said, I don't know if I said this already, but you can go as deep as you want or as little as you want. This is whatever you want, obviously. It's not going to clean for you. You're going to have to do it yourself. Um, there's other apps like CC Cleaner and shit. I don't know if that's safe, but I use it sometimes, but I don't pay for the pro, so it really doesn't do shit for me besides clear my temporary files. But um, yeah, that's pretty much this program. Just look up before what you're about to delete if you don't feel safe about it. If you feel like it could be important or you use the program a lot, probably don't delete it or look it up. That's what I do. But anywho, this is everything. Ignore that. This shows every file on your computer pretty much. I'm pretty positive. And you can put it by size, or you can put it, yeah, ice dance or drum kit, date modified, whatever, Oregon High on Life, you see what I'm saying? You can delete what you want. I wouldn't delete .pack files because obviously that's part of the game. If you delete that pack file, it's going to be fucking detrimental. You probably can't run the game. But you always have a recycle bin, so if you do fuck something up, just in case, test it before you delete it in your recycle bin, and then you can restore it if you can. But sometimes on this program, like I deleted this a long time ago, and for some reason it still shows it on your hard drive. I do not know how to fix that. This program isn't my favorite, but sometimes if you're looking for a specific file extension or a certain type of file type, this could be very useful. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. See, I have video clips like this, Zone Wars, that are 8 gigabytes that I could delete, but I haven't gotten to it yet. So this is why I'm here showing you a tutorial. I just figured this out. And take what you want with it. Be careful. You can delete a lot of shit. Don't be an idiot. If you do delete something and clear your recycle bin afterwards, I don't know how to recover data from there. It's going to be on your end. But anywho, be careful. This is a deep clean tutorial, and yeah, leave a like or whatever the hell you do nowadays. I don't give a shit, but leave a comment if you have any questions. Someone will answer if I don't have the answer. But yeah, peace.